What's up, fellow traders? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, wherever you are on it. It's your boy again in this next video, David, live from IFX. So again, before I do some little things this evening, I want to talk about USD, Canadian dollar. You get it? Canadian dollar is trying to show some moves, show some momentum. Canadian dollar has been strong for more than since March 2020. You get it? Since March 18, 2020, Canadian dollar has really gained a very strong strength, and it's keep falling and falling and falling and falling and falling and falling. Man, this is really serious. This is really bigger serious. Should you look at it? Canadian dollar really makes some, not just a promising move, but it really makes some dynamic move from here. We talking about March 18, 2020. Yeah, this is the exact candle. You understand? This is the exact candle. March 18, 2020. Canadian dollar start falling. It start going bearish and bearish and bearish and bearish and bearish. June still going bearish up till US dollar is trying to fight it, but the energy is not there. The energy is missing. The constant energy is missing. So I drew this trend line as we speak now. I drew this trend line, but from what I can see here, from what I can see from every indication here, this is showing that USD it's going to try to fight it, but right now Canadian dollar is opening the market and trying to gain the downturn momentum. You get it? But in the morning, what I'm saying is that USD is really going to try to fight, but USD, the strength is not there. Honestly, the strength is not there. You get it? So should you look at the market, that the strength for USD is not really here right now. I don't know where USD makes it. I don't know where USD, I would just say that it's the international exchange rate. The exchange rate of USD is not that it's going down right now, but the other people's exchange rate is catching up. The other countries' exchange rate is catching up with it. This is what I could call it. You get it? This is what I see in this very market. You get it? In this very W market right now. So let's just do some little things right now. So I see Canadian dollar, because this right now is a sell market. It's keep going. Canadian dollar keep going. It's definitely going to break out. So for now, I'm coming. Let me just do some little tricks. I'm coming. Let me just do some little tricks, because this might just be something like this. It might just be something like this. You get it? But not it might. I'm sorry for that language. That's not really a good language for for trading professionalism. So to me, I see something like this right now. So I would just say okay, how about like this? Let me see. Oh Jesus, no, USD is really fucked. No, USD is really it's really fucked, honestly. USD is really fucked. USD is trying to make a move, because by the morning, in the morning, from what I could see here, USD is going to, in the morning, the Eastern time morning, USD is really going to try to fight the market, try to prove stability. Let's just do some little calculation, Can we say USD is making some promising action move right now? Is it maybe? Maybe, but Canadian dollar is still at its pinnacle, at the strength of its, at the pinnacle of its strength right now, So Canadian dollar is going to come down. It's coming down right now, It's really hitting USD hard. You get me? So sorry. Let me take this up a little bit. It's really hitting USD hard. So to me, it's going to come somewhere here. Somewhere this region. Somewhere in this region. So this is what I'm seeing here. Sorry, people. Yeah. So I see, should this market as it is like this, USD will pick up, but not right now, not really right now, because it's going to fight. Canadian dollar is definitely going to fight, because it's at the move right now. Canadian dollar is at the move. You get it? So if Canadian dollar, as I'm looking at it, I'm on the sell side as we speak right now. I'm on the sell part of the market as we speak right now. I'm selling. I'm on the market. If you don't know, please do know. So as we speak right now, I'm on the sell part of the market, but by the morning, I put my should Canadian dollar go down maximum, should Canadian dollar go down maximum, it's going to come to like this very point, you get it, and USD will start heating up again. When I mean heating up, I'm coming. Let me just clone this. I'm coming. Yeah. So when I mean heating up, I mean like heating up like this. Like heating up like this, and like a cross heating up. Let's just make it a cross heating up, a solid cross heating up. So this is what I'll do. Solid cross heating up. Is that good enough? No. Okay. Because USD is really going to the month is ending, the year is ending, everybody want to make money. So USD is really going to try to make some move, which is a good thing. You get it? Which is a good thing. But from what I can see here, Canadian dollar is still coming down. You get it? So by in the morning, if USD did not pick up, please listen, people. In the morning by 8 or 10 a.m., like 10 a.m. tomorrow, Eastern time, if USD did not pick up, it means this is a fully downtrend market. You get it? If USD did not reverse, it's a fully downtrend market. So I'm in the market right now, but I'm going to change some few things, and the things that I'm going to change is that I'm going to put a take profit somewhere here at this very point. Let me clone one. Let me clone one of this. I'm going to put a take profit. I'm going to put a take profit somewhere here. Somewhere here. You get it? So I'm going to put a take profit somewhere here, and I'm going to put a buy stop somewhere here too. You get it? because USD is going to try to fight the market. USD is definitely going to try to fight the market, but I don't really see USD at the pinnacle of its strength right now. So I'm going to place a sell stop somewhere here again. I'm going to place a sell stop at 1.3024. You get it? I'm going to place a sell stop there again. So should the market hit that point, it means the market is going down. So definitely it means Canadian dollar is still going down. But from what I can see here, Canadian dollar, it has really gained some very solid promising momentum right here. You get it? USD is just trying to fight, but it ain't gonna fight for long. You get it? So let's just make this stuff short ones, short ones, very very short. Yeah, so no, I don't really see USD doing much. I don't really see USD going far, but USD is definitely going to try to fight the market. So let's just watch how it goes. I'm not saying that USD is going to follow all this trend right now, but let's just see how it goes. Let's just see how it goes. But from what I can see here, Canadian dollar is still in charge. You understand? So people, please just let me know what your take is in this market. Please, I very much appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on all my social media pages. I really appreciate it. It's your humble boy again here this evening, David, live from IFX Studio. That is Forex Market Studio, Stock Market Studio, Capital Market Studio. You get it? So please people, let me know what you think. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification button, and trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God bless us all. Have a good one. See you in my next video. Bye.